Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix font size change when replying to email in Outlook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Outlook and click on new email, and then you simply need to click on format text. And once you are in the format text option, so click on classic ribbon. So once you are here, you simply need to click on zoom, and you simply need to select 200%, and after that you can write a text. Here you can see that, and now you can see your text is in standard format. So this is the easy process by which you can fix the size change issue when replying to email in Outlook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.